Stop. Before you scroll away, understand this. Your entire life is about to change. The wealth, success, and happiness you've been dreaming of? It's closer than you think. But there's a catch. You need to know the secret to activating it. What if I told you that in the next 10 minutes, you could learn how to tap into a power so strong that it can manifest anything you desire? Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal is going to blow your mind. Understanding the law of attraction and the law of vibration. The law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning yourself with the right energy, the right vibration. Neville Goddard, one of the greatest teachers of manifestation, said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled." This means you must feel as if your dream has already come true before it manifests. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe, including your thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a specific frequency. If you want wealth, you must vibrate at the frequency of abundance. Ask yourself, are your daily thoughts filled with lack, fear, and doubt? If so, you're tuning into the wrong frequency. But don't worry, because I'll show you how to shift it right now. Gratitude, the fastest way to attract abundance. If you're not grateful for what you have, why should the universe give you more? Tony Robbins teaches that gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions for shifting your mindset instantly. Gratitude practice. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Feel the emotion deeply. Don't just write it, experience it. Throughout your day, say, "Thank you," for even the smallest blessings. The universe responds to gratitude by giving you more to be grateful for. Reprogramming negative beliefs for unlimited success. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe money is scarce, it will be. If you believe success is hard, it will be. Neville Goddard's revision technique: take a negative event from your past and mentally rewrite it in your favor. If you failed in business, imagine it was a success. If you lost money, imagine receiving more. Do this repeatedly until your subconscious accepts the new reality. Affirmations for wealth and success. Money flows to me effortlessly. I am aligned with the vibration of wealth. Success is my natural state. The power of meditation to attract what you desire. Tony Robbins and Neville Goddard both emphasize the power of visualization and meditation. 5-minute wealth meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Visualize yourself holding a large sum of money. Feel the texture of the cash. Hear the sound of it. Imagine spending it joyfully, donating it, investing it. Feel the emotions of abundance, gratitude, and certainty. End with the affirmation, "It is already mine." Watch for these signs and take inspired action. Once you align with the right frequency, the universe will start giving you signs. Seeing the number 999, a signal of completion and incoming abundance. Seeing turtles, a message that prosperity is approaching in steady, unstoppable waves. Seeing sunflowers, a confirmation of spiritual and financial growth. But don't just sit back and wait. Take inspired action. Follow new business ideas. Say yes to new opportunities. Be open to unexpected sources of income. If you've made it this far, the universe has a message for you. You were meant to see this. You were meant for greatness. It's time to take control of your energy, shift your beliefs, and allow abundance to flood your life. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, type "I am ready" in the comments below and start your journey today.